Hey everyone, this is Sanjay here, and this is going to be a 5-minute series of videos which talks about how to improve your GitHub profile and how to start contribution one by one. Alright, so the video one is all about how to find the projects which is very active. And as a contributor, I really understand you because I've been handling the GitHub discussion and I got to know that there were like many people not aware or not getting assigned proper labels or proper issues. So yes, this can be avoided by a lot of ways. Yeah, and even in open source is very quite common. But here, as it's like a closed platform, we will make sure that we will push admin to follow all the guidelines and everything. So what you need to do is like come over here and assign particular, maybe look for some particular projects. Again, we will improve the leaderboard to make it much more easy for you to understand which project is active over here. We'll be rolling out the changes in 5 to 10 days. All right, before that, let me go into this particular repository. Or here you can read about this particular repository and go to the deployment link and see whether this is something interesting new rather than going to a random repository and work on it. So when I click on the deployment, I see that, okay, there are multiple GitHub profiles is listed over here. And it also talks about something over here which is like related to the GitHub thing, right? So this is something might interesting me, right? If that's the case, then what I need to do is like go through their repository. So the repository link is written over here. Click over here, which will take you into their specific repository. So this is a repository. Now I need to understand whether this project is active or not. Before that, if you are wanting to contribute into this, start the repository. So you're showing some love to the project admin, letting you work on this particular repository, right? So click on the commit history. Now this really helps you to understand whether this particular project is active or not, and look at the commit history happening over here during the timeline. On today, this has been a lot of things, and October 8th there is like a lot of commits happened. So okay, this is pretty good sign of, okay, this particular project is active. Now you can go to the issues and you can see when this issue is opened, and you click on assignee. You can see people already assigned to this particular repositories and in the last 1 day or something. And here also you can see the frequency of the project admin merging the pull request. Is it really fast or not? So all of these things are being approved by 11 hours, 19 hours, and this trend been happening for like last 2-3 days, which means that this project is pretty much active on the GitHub platform and you can come and easily contribute to it. Now the second thing is like, how will I raise a new issue? For example, you can look for the existing issue. For example, this project admin has already raised this issue regarding the updation of readme and no one has assigned. Or you can filter is like assigned to nobody. So this will show you a list of particular issues which is already up and which is not labeled and which is not assigned to anyone. So you are free to work on this. In this particular repository, add profile is not belongs to this category, which means that you are adding to this particular issue. So that doesn't really count towards the GSSOC contribution. But yeah, I hope you got my point. So there are issues like add home button in navbar, which is not assigned to anyone, or issue regarding updation, it's not assigned to anyone. So what you can do is like you can go here and see what the admin has been raised, and if you're really interested, you can work on this, right? So this person has been raised this issue over here, so I can do this issue, can you assign to me? So which means that you can assign to them. It's always about first come first serve, and if the admin is assigning to a different person, let them know. This is already raised from the discussion over here. So this belongs to that person, which is this Mukul Soup. Okay, I can't assign that person until they comment it over here. So what I'll be doing is like, I'll be assigning to this person, assigning this particular labels. it's a readme file, so I'm assigning only one and assigning to our respective projects, and this is like in pending. It's not started yet. Awesome launch. All right, so this has been done right now, right? So this is how you do and get assigned a particular issues. Now if you see like, okay, I have gone to the issues and there is no open issues available which is not assigned to anyone. So if that's the case, what you need to do is like go through this website and find out where the issues is lying on. For example, if I refresh this page and scroll down over here, you see something missing over here. It's like a bug. So what I can do is like take a screenshot of this and highlight the project admin. So I can just take a screenshot, come over here, raise a new issue. You can either add this issue over here and click on this issue over here and type there is repetition. Could you remove the extra information in red marked box? All right. Why my auto correction is not working? All right. Bug text repeating on batch page and provide the respective link of that particular page. So this way the admin get a complete idea about what exactly you are working on. So where was that issue? Okay, link, and you can tag the particular project admin. In my case, I am the project admin, so you can tag me over here. So this is how you raise a pull request and you get assigned to it. So I hope this particular session was pretty much useful for you to understand how the pull request is working or not. And thanks for watching. Bye.